welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to save a snap someone sent you on Snapchat account. So for that, what you need to do is open the Snapchat application first and then get logged in into the account of yours. Now for you to save the snap that someone has sent you, first thing you go to the conversation box. Tap on the chat icon on the bottom and then you tap open the chat section of that person. Tap that chat icon. So here is the snap that I have received from my friend. I want to save this snap on my Snapchat. So what you can do is you can tap on view and it will play the snap on your phone. And if you hold it for a few seconds, you will have this option pop out. Remix snap, save in chat, report snap. And from there, you need to choose the option save in chat. Now this will save the video to your chat section. You can see the video has been saved to your Snapchat conversation with your friend. This is a way how you can save a snap someone has sent you. Snapchat allows you to save snaps that are not very much longer. Snapchat allows you to save photos and videos both, but you will not be able to save the videos that are longer time period. Only a video of few seconds, you will be able to save them on Snapchat. Hope this video was useful on how you can save a snap that someone has sent you in Snapchat. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.